Hey, Brodie Brown here, owner of Apollo Screen and Shade, Wisconsin. I want to take a minute to introduce you to something that's going to completely change how you use your outdoor space. These are our PowerScreens, motorized patio screens that drop down at the push of a button, blocking bugs, cutting the heat, and giving you one-way privacy so you can see out while the neighbors can't see in. When you're done, they roll right back up and disappear completely. Nothing to look at, nothing to maintain, nothing in the way. What makes Apollo different is simple. We're factory direct. We measure, we build, and we install everything ourselves. No middlemen. That means when we back these with a 20-year warranty, it actually means something because you're talking to the people who made it. We've been doing this for over 20 years and have completed thousands of installations. If you've got a porch, a patio, or a pergola that you're only using half the year, a PowerScreen is how you get the rest of it back. Give us a call at 262-665-5075 or visit us online. And let's get your outdoor space working for you year-round.